My husband is that kind of person who don't love going out like that. He loves to stay indoor. So we get used to it. For me, I love out going out, but because I got married to him, so I need to get used to it. So guys, this vlog is all about a day in my life and how I spent my Sunday and my husband's birthday. That's what this vlog is all about. How I spent my day and my husband, how we celebrate my husband's birthday. I didn't buy anything for him because I asked him what he wants and he said if I want to buy him anything I should give him the money, which I don't want to give him the money. Oh, I give friends the money. Tell me what you want me I buy for you. So guys, I want to cook I want to roast fish and I want to cook indomie and fry plantain. Yeah, is it roast fish or barbecue fish? I don't know, anyone. Shall I pick the one with correct? Okay, pick the one with correct for the two. I'm sure correct. So and I'll cook indomie, fried plantain, and that's what we'll be eating this morning. Yeah guys, today is kind of dull for me because I'm not that strong. Like I'm under the weather, guys, but bear with me. Let's go, let's start this vlog. And please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video in this channel. Guys, I do sit down talk video, I do different hairstyles for myself, and I do vlog. I upload twice a week. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, subscribe if you enjoy watching my video. So guys, let's start this vlog. Let's go to the kitchen. Guys, we didn't wash Kwan's money anymore. We are washing Fast and Furious.